In the late 19th century, a man named John Muir stood on the precipice of a transformation that would forever change the course of history. Born in Scotland in 1838, Muir immigrated to the United States with his family at the tender age of 11. Years later, Muir found himself captivated by the unparalleled beauty of California's Yosemite Valley. Enchanted by its towering sequoias and roaring waterfalls, Muir dedicated his life to preserving the natural wonders he held so dear. However, his mission was not an easy one. The rapid expansion of the railroad and logging industries posed a dire threat to the pristine landscapes Muir loved. In the midst of this crisis, Muir took action. He organized the Sierra Club, a group of like-minded individuals dedicated to preserving the Sierra Nevada's wilderness. Through tireless advocacy, Muir and his fellow activists fought relentlessly against the incursion of industrial development. One of their most significant battles was the struggle to protect Hetch Hetchy Valley, a breathtaking expanse nestled within Yosemite National Park. The valley was slated for destruction, as San Francisco sought to dam it for water and hydroelectric power. Muir's victory was a turning point in the history of environmental activism. It marked the birth of the modern conservation movement, inspiring countless individuals to fight for the preservation of the planet's natural treasures. Yet, Muir's legacy extends far beyond the boundaries of Yosemite. His unwavering commitment to the environment has resonated through the generations, inspiring movements like Earth Day and the modern environmentalism we know today. John Muir's battle for the Bay was not just a fight to save a valley. It was a battle for the soul of humanity, a plea to remember our connection to the natural world and to cherish it as the vital, irreplaceable gift that it is.